In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the hatch command in AutoCAD, fill areas with patterns and solids. If you've ever needed to shade a room, indicate materials like concrete or steel, or simply make areas stand out on a plan, the hatch command is your go-to. We'll start right inside your current drawing. In the command line, type hatch and press enter. This opens the hatch creation interface across the top of your screen so you can control everything in one place. If your command line is collapsed, give it a click so you can see the prompts as you work. They're helpful. With the hatch creation tab open, choose what you want to fill with, a pattern or a solid. A solid fill is perfect for bold areas, masking, or simple diagrams. Patterns, often called hatch patterns, include standards like ANC and ISO, metal, concrete, earth, brick, and more. Pick one that matches your intent and project standards. You'll see a live preview once you define the area. Now tell AutoCAD where to place the hatch. Click inside a closed boundary to let AutoCAD detect the edges automatically, or use pick points if you prefer to identify the interior by clicking. The boundary must be closed for the hatch to form correctly. If nothing appears, zoom in and look for tiny gaps in lines or polylines. Closing those gaps or increasing the gap tolerance can help. For complex drawings, it's also useful to isolate layers so the boundary is clear. After the area is identified, fine-tune the look in the hatch panel. Adjust the scale to control pattern density. Larger scales spread the lines out, smaller scales pack them tighter. Set the angle to rotate the pattern so it aligns with walls, slopes, or detailing conventions. Explore pattern settings like origin and island detection if your boundary contains holes, such as columns inside a slab. Keeping the hatch associative will let it update automatically when the boundary changes. Use transparency or a lighter color if you want the background geometry to remain readable. When you're satisfied with the preview, press enter or click close hatch creation to apply the hatch. You can always select the hatch later to edit its pattern, scale, or angle from the properties palette or the contextual ribbon. For clean organization, consider placing hatches on a dedicated layer that matches your office standards. And that's it. Quick, controlled, and visually consistent hatching ready for your documentation.